Welcome to our AcuPresence app. This short tour will guide you through the main areas of the app and show you how to get the most from its features. This is your home page, and at the top you'll find your dashboard, which tracks your activity within the app. You can also access your personal settings from this page. In the Settings page, you can customize your preferences and personalize your app experience. You will also find links to support social media channels, a very thorough, frequently asked questions, as well as other resources. You can learn about our free 7-day trial here as well. This tab also features the sacred site of the day, offering a daily 3-minute meditative attunement. And you can enable a daily sacred site reminder in settings as well. On this page, you'll also find a quick link to the sacred site's oracle deck, which we will discuss a bit later. Below this, you'll find your recent activity, along with links to brief AcuPresence explainers and longer foundational teachings for you to explore. Next, we will explore the Sacred Sites tab. Here is where you can search by a keyword, a physical symptom, an emotion, meridian, element, hexagram, gene key, to discover sacred sites that may support your current inquiry or need. The Quick Links section provides access to more than 500 healing protocols for your attunement and exploration. Below the Quick Links section, you'll find the full list of sacred sites. Here you'll find 107 carefully curated sacred sites, each based on a unique acupuncture point, which we have fully developed for exploration, attunement, and healing. Each sacred site page reveals the essence and the unique vibrational signature of the point, along with very detailed guidance for locating it on your body. At the bottom of the Sacred Site page, you'll see our logo. This logo serves as the icon for your personal attunement kit. You are empowered to create and curate your own personal attunements. While we have provided more than 500 healing protocols to support your journey, designing your own opens the door to a deeper level of healing empowerment and personal sovereignty. Explore the sacred sites that call to you. Learn about their essence, medicinal virtues, and healing gifts. Then you can imagine yourself at the sacred site and feel its unique vibrational signature. As you do, you may discover whether it is a frequency you wish to attune to, embody, and awaken within yourself. You can add sacred sites individually by selecting the Add to Kit option, or you can use the drag and drop feature to create your attunement. You can add up to 6 sacred sites for each individual attunement. Once you've added your chosen sacred sites, you'll be guided into a meditative attunement. In addition to searching by specific themes, you can explore the many curated categories available within the app. You can explore by meridian and review the sacred sites developed for each meridian, along with their associated organs and functions, as well as each of the 5 elements. You can take a deep dive into the 64 hexagrams of the I Ching. Each one reveals the keynotes of the hexagram via the I Ching, human design, and the gene keys, as well as the 6 associated acupoints for each of the hexagrams and their specific lines. This is truly a treasure box full of wisdom and beauty. Another feature offers specific attunement protocols for many of the programs and sequences within the gene key transmission. The next tab we will explore is the Oracle tab. Here we offer 2 pathways into the mystery, the Sacred Site pathway and the Hexagram pathway. Through the Sacred Site pathway, you may reveal 1 to 3 sacred sites intuitively selected for you in the moment. The hexagram pathway reveals a single hexagram to contemplate, align with, and attune to, inviting deeper insight and guidance on your journey. The final tab is our Attunement tab. Here we offer 20 carefully designed healing protocols for different points of focus. You can choose to attune with 1 to 6 sacred sites included in each healing protocol. Your experience is guided through audio instruction and visual meditative support. You can save your attunements and return to them at any time, and these are available in your library to listen to online or offline. This concludes our tour of the app. As an evolving platform, there may be additional features, questions, and discoveries that we'd love to support you with along the way. For additional help, please visit our free Zoom support sessions in settings or reach out to us by email at any time. AcuPresence offers many pathways and many depths to explore. Your journey may begin with the sacred site of the day or an occasional oracle reading and naturally unfold into a deeper daily practice through the attunements. There is no right or wrong way to experience this healing art. Trust your inner guidance, follow what resonates, and allow the journey to unfold in its own perfect way.